Guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Now let's see how to make cheesy corn paneer sandwich without toaster and without oven. Take a pan, add oil to it. Now we need to add paneer to it and we have to roast it. Now we have to add corn to it and roast it again. Let's add salt to it. The salt is according to your taste. Add chopped chilies to it. This is also according to your taste and wish. Add onions to it and roast it again. Now add curry leaves to it and roast it. When all of this is in golden brown color, then you can off the flame and add pepper to it and add veg mayonnaise. This will give flavor and taste to your sandwich. We have to mix it well and keep them aside. Now take in another pan, add butter to it, and when the butter starts melting, add bread slices to it. Add ghee to it on the top of the slices, or substitute can be butter as well. Toast them well. Now grate cheese on it. Add the mixture that we have earlier prepared on the bread slices on 2 bread slices, which will act as a bottom to it. Now add cut cheese to it and close them and toast them well. Once they are toasted, we have to add butter to it on the top and toast them again well. When they are well toasted, they are ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let us know how did it taste in the comment section below. Look how cheesy good sandwich is now ready to have. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel Travel Lovers TV.